how to use Microsoft Bookings in Teams. So to use Microsoft Bookings in Teams, you need to add the Microsoft Bookings app to your Teams workspace. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams into your browser and then sign into your account. Now at the bottom left, you'll be able to find this apps button. So click on this. And then from here, go ahead and search for bookings. And then go ahead and wait for this to load. And then on the results, go ahead and look for Microsoft Bookings. Click on it. And then from here, you will be able to find more information about Microsoft Bookings. So Microsoft Bookings in Teams is a scheduling tool that lets you create and manage appointments for individuals or groups, assign staff members to specific services, send confirmation and reminders, and conduct virtual meetings via Teams. It's ideal for internal teams, educators, service desks, and client-facing roles. Now in here, click on this add button. And then once it is added, go ahead and click on this open button. Now in here, you can go ahead and proceed on setting up your booking page, such as your personal booking page and your shared booking page. So on the shared booking page that you've created for your team, go ahead and click on it. So in here, head over into the staff tab and then go ahead and click on this add new staff button and go ahead and add your teams into this section. So you can go ahead and select their name from here, and then after that enter the initials that you have for them in here, and then email into the section, and phone number would be automatically set if the email and the phone number of that individual is available for their Teams account, and then click on the Save Changes button. So after that, you can go ahead and set up your appointment types. So in to the services tab, you can go ahead and create the services that your team can offer to your clients. So by clicking on this add new service button, you can go ahead and create the service name, description, location, duration, the price, and enter notes and set the maximum number of attendees that can attend the specific service offered by your company. And once you're done, simply click on the Save Changes button. Now you can view the bookings that you have for the month by clicking on this calendar button. So in here, you'll be able to find the bookings that you have for today. So you can reschedule, cancel, or assign staff as needed, and enable email and SMS notification for confirmation and reminders. Now, when it's time, join the meeting directly from the bookings calendar or Teams notification. So use Teams features like screen sharing, chat, and recording. So that is how you can basically use Microsoft Bookings in Teams.